Yo, welcome back, KP and A-Yazzie fans and everybody, whoever. Still got to work on with a new intro song.
That's good.
Uh, I don't know what this is. We're eating some sort of food, okay?
Yeah, I don't even know what it is either.
First time ever eating it in my life. At first, I thought it was lasagna. But it was whatever and corn. Yeah, yeah. I don't even know what corn is.
So obviously start with the fries first.
Yo. Gotta start with the side. Side dish.
Ugh,
Don't get tetanus.
I got my tetanus shot. I had to get it or else I was getting suspended.
Got mine with that. Okay?
I don't have to get mine in 10 years now.
I got mine when I stabbed myself on accident. I'm trying to cook.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No one knows. Maybe one day. An accident. But what if I do it again?
Downfall.
Nice.
So, like, subscribe, bell, comment, share.
Just get to one like.
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all can do that thing. I don't even know what a like button is.
I only know what the dislike button is.
Make that like button turn blue.
Wait, instead of telling the fans to like the video, let them yell dislike the video.
Yeah, just like this video, report it, because banned.
What? No.
So you can see more reactions in videos.
Just like this one.
Yep. So that's only if you dislike and report us. To the FBI. Send us to child care. And to the adoption center too.
And then we'll make another account and we'll react to everything.
Yeah, that will be called Skittles and Bertram.
Skittles and A-Yazzie jail.
I'll be
Or
Bertram.
jail.
This guy here will be Bertram. Okay?
Bertram.
Yep.
What's that?
First.
Like what? So I'm moving on to the lasagna chicken thing. See if it's good or if it's cooked.
Imagine it wasn't. Raw.
Oh
And
god.
then we got sick and died.
Who's good?
Bitter is the best medicine. So if you guys have bitter stuff, get cured better.
I love bitter stuff.
If you don't have bitter, then you're gonna die. I mean, you're gonna not survive. You have less chance of surviving. It's like me.
The life expectancy in America is 97. In Canada, it's like 82. That came out of nowhere.
I don't even know what that guy said.
That guy hasn't.
I don't even know. He's in my house. Jim and his kidnapped me on accident. I remember accidentally kidnapping someone before. Just on purpose.
What?
Or obviously Shit. What is it saying?
We're influencers. We're influencing people on how to kidnap.
Guys, make sure you don't kidnap people. Kidnapping is not good. What you really want to do, be a good boy. If you be a good boy, you go heaven. Be a bad boy, go hell.
Exactly.
Well, I'm going to hell either way. Because that's where I was born from. Satan's my mom.
Okay.
Yep. Kind of cute.
Okay.
She's single, I think. She's dead though.
What
Shit!
are you talking about? She?
I dropped that. I don't want
Okay.
that guy.
Oh,
Oh my god, my ears.
my god. I almost died.
I almost just exploded.
That just frickin' my ears.
I almost exploded in the most inappropriate way. On accident. And I'm not talking about inappropriate as in that way. I'm talking about inappropriate as in bloody.
What is up with you?
Bloody.
Bloody Mary, y'all.
We're gonna play that one day.
Exactly.
Gotta try everything at least once.
Yep.
Especially things that should be like maybe.
Like summoning Satan.
Yeah. Ah.
And jumping out of an airplane without a parachute and trying to see who can stand on their feet while landing. What?
Yeah. Be Superman.
And then after that, we gotta do a video on how to walk on water.
I know how to. Turn into Jesus.
I got the Bible right here, y'all, so y'all can figure it out.
I have the same one at home, but mine's more ripped because I found it after it rained on the street. I found mine when I was homeless on the streets.
Yeah.
But now I had to home call my place. I kidnapped it. It was hot. I got a throat. I could swallow. Don't take that out of context. Ow! I'm falling apart. I'm still eating.
Put in the comment down below what you guys want to see next.
I might gotta go TNT Dynamite.
I don't know what that
TNT Dynamite? You know, AC/DC. TNT Dynamite. If you don't know, you don't know. The rock and roll band. I hate rock. Gives me headaches. I just know it because of back in the day, man. Back in like hundreds. Man, I used to listen to it.
My god, dude.
Wow. I'm gonna stab myself in the neck with this. But I'm gonna stab my drug your throat. I'm gonna stab my throat.
And then when I'm 19, I gotta do videos on water.
Yeah. I'm Beethoven.
Never mind.
You guys want to see Beethoven? On Beethoven?
Alright.
Oh God, I gotta go explode after this video. I'm not talking about the backside. Someone got shot. That's hot. Well, I guess hope you guys make sure to like it. And let's just comment down below.
What
Leave
you guys
one
wanna
like on the
see
video.
next?
Leave one like on the video. Comment down below what you want to see next time. Go to the channel. Look at every single freaking video of ours because we have like billions of videos. Even though we only got like 30-some videos, but still we got like billions of videos. So go watch all of them. And someone else just died. That's hot. So
I think someone literally just died.
well, that's even better.
I think someone just got shot.
I think I can just see the blood right now. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on and post notifications. Comment down below what you want to see next. Give this video one like and go to our channel to see every single video. We got billions, even though we got like 30-some odd videos. But go check out all 1 billion of our videos. Probably even more, maybe trillions. Who knows? And yeah, peace out.